In this video, I'll show you how to install Vanguard. This is essential if you want to play games like Valorant or League of Legends, since Vanguard needs to be properly installed and running. To get started, open your Start menu, search for Settings, and open it. From the left-hand side, click on Apps, then go to Installed Apps. In the search bar, type Vanguard. If the Vanguard application appears, go ahead and uninstall it. In my case, nothing shows up because it's already uninstalled. Once that's done, open the Start menu again, search for Command Prompt, then right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type scdelete VGC and press Enter. Then type scdelete VGK and press Enter again. After that, close the Command Prompt window. Next, make sure to fully close the Riot Games application. Once it's closed, open the Start menu again and relaunch the Riot client. Sign in to your Riot Games account. After logging in, click on Games from the left-hand menu, then select Valorant. The client should automatically detect that Vanguard is not installed. Simply click the Update button and it will install Vanguard on your system. And that's it. Vanguard will be installed and ready to go. If this helped you out, feel free to drop a comment below.